So I'm in Hokkaido and they don't use a Coca card, but with the 7-Eleven ATM they use everywhere. So I need to load up 5,000, put it there, just make sure this number is actually down the bottom, so that magical number down there. Yep, and then just recharge money, recharge. Alright, and I need to put 5,000 in. It's reading your machine now. So you charge. I'll put 5,000. And then I just chuck the whole thing in. And then we'll count the cash. And then I load the cards up. And now take the card out. Now I've got 7,190. That's it, done. That's how you recharge an IC card anywhere in Japan. You can also balance by putting here. Just read your card and balance. There you go, see? That's how you balance it.